Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU169. This is a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's got a 3.6 liter engine in it, automatic trans, and has 20,385 miles on it. This one I didn't think I was going to get a video of, mainly because it's hit right here in the sweet spot, which includes the engine control unit, which still I'm not able to get a running or driving video of this. This is something we'll have to do in the bay, hopefully with a donor ECU or something where we can get it rolling and get a video of it, at least get a compression test and some more information on the engine before we go ahead and sell it. But I did get the inside lit up, so that's always a good treat there. So we'll see how much of that we can mess around with without too much disturbance. So we'll come on around and show you the vehicle real quick. Pretty good looking vehicle all the way around. Excuse our shop cat here. That's Nibbler walking around here. So I'll hop on in, show you a couple of things. So let's shut this. Nope, that's not the miles I want to see. There we go. So we got 20,385 miles on it. I tried messing around with this window, which is not doing much there. I'm assuming it's something with the harness on that one. This window does go down though. It comes back up. So we're gonna go ahead, we'll see what we can do with this mirror on this side. See, that's affected too. See, it's not affected. Go on up, come on down. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead here and check out this one. Getting hot up in here. So heater AC control. Fortunately, don't get much out of that. Again, that might be something with the engine running. It needs to be done. It does light up pretty well though. Looks like everything's working there. Then we got the radio.
Dukes versus the world.
It looks like it works just fine there. So good to go on that
Téléphone
one too.
Uconnect.
It's the Uconnect system there. But yeah, everything seems to be working just fine on this. So yeah, besides the engine and transmission, of course, we'll go ahead and test that out in the bay. But other than that, we should be good to go. Again, this is UU169. You guys need any parts, please call Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. We'll be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.